Welcome to another Android solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working on Android phone or tab. So let's get started. First of all, go to settings of your device. Scroll down and find out system. Tap on advanced. Then tap on reset options. Tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Reset settings. Tap on reset settings once again. After the reset, go to your Wi-Fi or mobile data and turn on mobile hotspots. I hope this time your mobile hotspots will be working well. The next method is go to your settings, scroll down, tap on system, advanced, tap on system update and check for update. As you can see, there is no update available on my device, but if you find any update for your device, then download and install it. After the download and install, I hope your all the mobile hotspots related problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to leave a like, comment below and also subscribe for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.